Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, I want to focus on getting our CRUD a little bit more universal. All right, I want to be able to use some of this code somewhere else with other tables. All right, especially the save, create, update, and delete. All right, so what I want to do is actually create a property right here, and I'm just going to make this protected, static. All right, and it's going to have the value of the tables that we are using in that specific object. So for example, if we take this to another class, another object, and we are using another table, all we have to do is change the name of the table and it will reflect everywhere we have this property, right? So what we can do is replace the users right here with the name of that specific property. All right, so every time we change it here, changing all places at the same time. So let's say we want to use this here. We're not in the save because we're not using this there. We can use it in the create right here. So what we can do is break this down right here, break this, all right, and concatenate. There we go. And I'm just gonna say self and that. There we go. All right, so this is going to take care of that issue there. All right, and we can do this to every part of our code. So I'm just gonna copy this down because I'm going to be using it in the update also right here. There we go. And I'm going to be using it in the delete right here. All right, oops, right here. Actually right there is fine. We're gonna leave that space there. I think that we need that space for the where right here. All right, so we got the delete, we got the update, and we have the create. All right, so that's all we need. We have those in there in place. That's going to make a huge difference, and we can go ahead and check it out to see if they work. So let's go ahead and try this out a little bit there. So let's go ahead and delete one of them. First, let's try the delete one. Let's go to our database actually right here. We have number 2. Let's just delete number 2 and see what happens. All right, we're gonna refresh here and we come back here and that works just fine. All right, so that's working. Then let's create something. So I'm just going to there. So to create, I'm just gonna use the save method that we made, and I'm going to create a new user. I'm gonna call this Suave. There we go. Let's go to our admin, refresh, and refresh here. As you can see, it created that one. All right. We can also update. So let's see if we can update right here. So let's go and check this out. And last name is going to be Williamson for number 2. Actually, I don't have number 2. I'm just gonna take number 13 and give it a last name. Actually, let's just give it a username right here. Sorry. There we go. Username. And refresh here and refresh here. And as you can see right here, the username is Williamson. All right, so they're all working. We were able to abstract, and that's the name of it, abstracting. So with this on abstraction here, all right, we made this code more reusable, all right, more advanced. That way we can take this CRUD somewhere else and use it. All right. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture. Hopefully you were able to learn a lot on this one here. You can rewind it anytime you want. That's the beauty of watching it in video format. And if you are keeping up with me, great job. If you're not, rewind the video 100 times until you get it right. All right, this is your education here. So I see you in the next one. Take care and great job.